Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your YouTube channel is not showing up in YouTube search. So when your YouTube channel is just not showing up in YouTube search after you made it or after you've had it for some time, then here are 3 easy ways to fix this or how you can improve on this. So the first thing I would recommend doing is just make sure to include as many keywords as possible over in your YouTube channel. And the first way you can do this is by clicking on customize channel, and what we're going to do is we are going to customize our YouTube bio to include our exact username. So my username is of course that's fixed, and this on my second channel by the way, and my normal main channel is that's facts. So what I want to do is I want to make sure to include that's fixed and that's facts over in my YouTube channel bio, and I would also recommend including the niche I have in my YouTube channel bio or description as well. And I would recommend keeping it about 100 to 200 words, but the most important thing is just adding your YouTube channel name over to your description. Then the second thing you can actually simply do is going and head over to settings right here, and literally then all we need to do is click on channel, and then right here you can even add keywords to your channel, and I would simply recommend adding 1 or 2 keywords which are just your name. You can add your name, so I have one right here, that's fixed, but you can also add that's space fixed or that's fixed without capital letters, and all those kinds of things. You just want to make sure that YouTube knows that your YouTube channel is actually that's fixed, and that, or of course your channel name, and that it needs to pop up right when you type that in. So that's the second thing you want to do. The third thing you actually want to do is you want to open an incognito browser right here, click on new incognito window, and then you will be brought to this thing. And then what you want to do is you want to simply type in YouTube, and we are right now going to search for our YouTube channel. So I have a really good example right here for you guys. So that's fixed is of course my main, my second channel, and we can see when I've typed in that's fixed over in an incognito browser, it immediately pops up as the first channel and also includes all my videos. However, this channel only has 59 subscribers. However, when I type in my my main channel, which is of course much bigger, it has like 20 times more subs. When I simply type in that's facts, it doesn't even pop up immediately, and it also doesn't show any of my videos. And the reason for why this is happening is because there are YouTube channels or YouTube videos with that exact name. For example, right here we can see that's facts here is called a music video which has 7.4 million views, and YouTube just ranks YouTube channels based on how big they are. So we can see that my channel currently has 906 subscribers, and it shows up right here. However, these videos have a lot more views than my entire YouTube channel, meaning that they will not immediately put my channel here at first, and they will actually push it down a little bit, and they also will not even show any of my videos because there are just so many YouTube videos with the name that's facts, as you guys can see right here. And that's a really good reason why maybe your small channel is also not popping up over in YouTube search. And the reason is just because your channel is either too small and a lot of other people also have somewhat of the same name, or some really big artists or really big YouTube channels are just already created in that exact niche with the exact same name, or basically the exact same name of course. And if you have just created a brand new channel, then your YouTube channel will not immediately be popping up here over on YouTube search. So that are 3 easy ways to fix this. I hope I gave some useful information that can help you improve your YouTube ranking over in the YouTube search. So if you learned something from this video, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.